Adam, Lisa, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
You excited?
Yeah!
About what?
There's going to be a prize.
A what?
There's going to be a prize.
What play?
A prize for us. You know.
Okay, go down.
Give me the camera. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Give me the camera first. Hang on. Close your eyes. No peeping. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Lisa, know what Santa gave you? Oh my gosh!
These are some toys. Yay! This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, this is mine.
Is that yours? Isa, look! Look at that! All the pink ones! Those ones! Isa!
Can I open this one first?
You want to open your present?
Can I open this one first?
Of course!
Oh, I want it's going to be.
Ah! Adam! Is this the one you asked for? Is it? Who's that? Who's that? What's that?
I didn't ask for this one.
You didn't? Did you?
No, this is what this is.
Who's that one?
That's so deep.
That's so deep. Adam, look at me. May upo ni Adam ang matanda. Sige, isa pa.
Hey, Kiki!
Oh, hello, Kitty. Hello, Kitty.
Yeah.
What's that?
Mighty
Isa, open your
Mac.
eyes here.
I got Mighty Mac.
Yeah!
Look,
It's
Isa, look.
open.
There, from Santa.
And this one.
And this one.
Woo! And this one's mine. This one is not. This is mine now.
Is it?
It's another one. It's another one from here.
Isa, is that yours? Are you opening your present now? Tapos sinuha ko niya binubuksan niya. Tama ba yan? Is that for you? Let's have a look. It's for Freya. It's for Freya.
Yeah.
Go get that one. That one, Lisa.
Here, oh. The big one.
Oh, this one.
That's
This
for
big
you.
one.
The
Here.
big ones. The big ones.
Here, Lisa, here.
Isa, look. Open it.
Daddy!
Yes.
Look,
Who's that?
I got the 3D engine.
Isa.
Who's that one?
I don't know.
It's Swift.
This?
Swift.
This is the engine.
You like that?
This is the 3D engine.
Yeah.
With? Do you
It's
like it? Did you choose that one? Did you ask for it?
I didn't choose that.
You didn't. What did you ask for then? Isa, do you like
I
that?
don't know. I'm going to tell you something. It's because of us. Daddy! Mommy! Don't because of us.
How about those ones? Open your toys.
Mommy!
A lot of toys for Isa.
Mommy!
This one as well, oh.
Mommy!
Adam.
Yeah, that's what to us. Mommy!
Mm.
Who's from Toys?
Yes. That's from Toys R Us. Isa, lock this one. You want to open this one?
Yeah, you can. You can open it if you want to.
How about your first gift? There's your first gift.
First gift of Christmas, Adam.
This
There.
one.
There, Adam.
Ow! I heard you say.
That's the first gift of Christmas, right?
Is this mine?
Yeah.
I think.
From Santa.
I know you.
Go on, open it. Do you like it?
It's not my
Do you like
From
it?
shopping. It's from shopping.
Wow. Wow, let's have a look.
Isa.
Isa, do you like it?
Isa.
No, yeah. Kasi puno siya.
Isa.
Isa, look at Daddy.
You like that?
Yeah.
And that one, this is
What's
yours
that,
as well?
Adam?
Is that yours as
It's
well?
my game.
Yeah?
You like that?
Yeah, can you open it?
Open it.
now?
Come on, open it. Open it.
Later, you open your other strings. You still got 3 there. Look.
Whoa.
Wow, Ada, a lot of presents. Alright.
What's my next gift?
There, there's 3 more.
3 more.
What?
Wow.
Okie dokie.
Si Isa. Sabi niyo malaking mata. Ano ba kasalita? May secret ka? What is that? What is that, Isa?
That's what Toy says as well.
Is it? I
Yeah.
think so.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
There's that food there.
You're cooking the chicken,